Two-Face, inside rumors, people go order kunu. Hold on. That time, Two-Face, if you order Zobo, now you will go sing for the person. If you know you go follow the person, go ask. Oh God. You know, say federal government seek crude oil for your land today. To Baba. Federal government seek crude oil for your land. It belongs to federal government too. But if now you go, now you get them. The Mona listening to since this country democracy start, Oga, there has never been a better president. We do always regret the previous one. We not regret when Obasanjo dey una dey shout, hey Baba do this, Baba. When he come out, we not miss him. Jonathan come, now woman, you wife the control, man come. Una begin miss Jonathan. Every comedian now for Jonathan time for Buhari, we dey miss Jonathan. Una go miss Buhari o. As Two-Face now, Two-Face club for rumors. Where Jonathan dey, if you enter club, Jesus, oh God, Mona listen. If you enter club, you see champagne. Wow, Ace of Spain. Two-Face enter your club last week. On Friday now, beer they drink Heineken. I shock. I order for this new beer where they call King of Beer, Budweiser. They put fire for inside room. Wow! Say Baba. Hold on, I hide my head now. Open the building, this the comedian, they don't pop his son, Budweiser. All the bitches around him, up in the VIP. Oh God. If Buhari win next year, Two-Face, inside rumors, people go order kunu. Hold on. That time, Two-Face, if you order Zobo, now you will go sing for the person. If you know you go follow the person, go ask. Oh God. This country is in a state of quagmire. We are passing through financial miasma that is fiasco and catastrophic at the same time. We don't die, yo. But this life not balance. Una know. You know, say federal government seek crude oil for your land today. To Baba. Federal government seek crude oil for your land. It belongs to federal government too. But if now you go, now you get them. Hola. Ladies and gentlemen, man not lie for you. I just came in from Sapele. Any Sapele guy there? Oh, but they Sapele on two guys, oh, they got their side club. Oh. Some set of guys called the pop champagne. Oh boy. They like one Igbo guy when I carry go club for the first time. The guy get money, we didn't say club. Now the guy order small champagne, Mowe. For inside the club, they said the Mowe 40,000. Yeah, they drink camp. You never go club before. You don't know the routine. Small time, yeah, wow. Now I look me, say, now what did happen here? Police they come here. I say no. Small time, they off music. What you hear now? Bow, bow. We not too tell. They off all the light. Only two places now like they on top the drink where they come and the table where has order the drink. Now the guy provokes, say now what is happening here? Can I see the manager? And manager come and say what is happening? Small time, not to tell. Now off light. Now the manager tell and say the time he heard wow, that siren, somebody bought drink of 500,000. He said, what of bang bang? Say somebody bought drink of 1 million. What at the time of the light? Say somebody bought drink of 1.5 million. He said, because of drink and money, now they offer light. How much drink can I buy? I want you to go and off the generator. Hola. I say a day Nightclub for Saplo, they call the place TM. Some boys they do shit, they pop champagne, poof, poof, they throw away. For here we they call them pop. For sample they call them throw away. Oh boy, more throw away, more throw away, more throw away. They go order ace or spade, order different. Two sample boys where they corner. Now they control their guy. Someone a show. Two say come everywhere stew. Two say come everywhere stew. You know, four of the guys show. Now they order the waiter. Hey, the waiter, bring 2 caskets sharply. Now the waiter ask him, which champagne you want inside your casket? You don't know my usual Henneken. They bring Henneken. This is where they open them. See how they pop Henneken. Now that I know say beer, pop pass champagne. When I tell the guy, man, calm down. He say, boy, forget, throw away. Oh, boy, throw away. Everybody come they look there for the club. I shock. The boys are proud though. Oh, but they crazy. I will get the club attention. Oh, they mad. Now I saw the go enter town. You know, reach 2 weeks. The boys they trend. I reach outside. One guy won't obtain me. Now Lagos here now you see boys when they beg money outside. Tuale, Baba. Now we they wash your motor. Sample boy not get that time. Sample boy you will come meet you. To Baba. They feel you. They try. Now bond them. If you bond them, you'll get problem. You'll regret them. The boy will meet me. Shama. And they look at your face. So they like say you be out of. I know you. I can't they bone the guy. He say, well, answer me now. Not be see the art mortuary scene. As you should be mortuary scene. He say, but forget, God bless you. Answer us. Press and come. As I close my door, the guy hold the motor. Say, bros, wind down. And wind down. Calm down now, find us something. Now we God live, bless you. I got to think the thing. Where they drive, they go, the boy pursue you. Oh, for your mind, this and you did the word there. When you broke, I go announce you. Lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I went to Canada. Tomorrow we'll do your show together now for Toronto. Mona club now going to appreciate progress. I can't believe that they smoke it both for Canada. See your boys, they analyze their Canada experience, their jail experience. The first guy take drug. You know, man, the last time I went to jail, I got a great time, man. Jail. The other guy take drug. I don't like going to jail in July. I like being in town in July, man. The summer is right on point. Another guy take that. They be like 8. All of them get jail experience. They ask one guy, when was the last time you went to jail this year? The guy say, man, I go to jail once in a year, man. I ask him when and why. I like going to jail in January, man. I say, why? I don't like the cold out here in winter. All of them don't share their jail experience, not only me, I don't get. Now one ask me, excuse me, man, you've never said anything about your jail experience. How many times have you been to jail this year? I said, you decrease. First of all, remove the year, this year from that question. You go ask me, have you ever been to jail in your life? They're shocked. Damn it! You mean you've never been to jail? I said, I've never been to jail in my life. All your life? How old are you? I said, I'm above 35. Above 35? You've never been to jail? Damn it! Do you drink alcohol? I say, yeah. Do you drive vehicle? I say, yeah. You've never been charged with DUI? I said, no. The guy said, damn it. You must be a hard damn criminal, man. I know this man thing. Everybody from abroad, now they do men now. I enter Canada. I enter America. My guy tell me, say, this America, you need to talk like American boy. At the end of your sentence, make sure you use the word men. I say, me and men, I go die. Anyway, I enter and me and man. Excuse me, man. Can I get a bottle of water? Man. I think I'm hungry. Man. I'm going out. Man. I'll be back in 2 hours. Man. I can't enter Iboma restaurant. I say, excuse me, man. Do you have a goosey soup, man? Iboma reply me, yes, ma'am. No matter how Igbo man travel, the accent not they come out to Okosha play football for Europe for over 25 years. When he come back, LG take and do advert. What do we hear? Eluji. Life is better for all.
Hi, my name is Acapella. Thank you for watching. For more funny videos, do subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button down below.